if you want to get high score in IELTS speaking and writing, so today I have gathered some of the speaking and writing tips. Okay, so I hope that you will get to learn a lot about these tips. Okay, so don't skip this video. Hello everyone, this is Miramla Azhar, your IELTS and PT expert. And today I have brought a lot of tips for writing, for speaking. So let's start this video. And the number one tip is for speaking is that you don't have to memorize the answers, okay, or ideas and vocabulary, okay. Just speak on your own. Try to practice speaking daily for 15 minutes. I think that this will be a good idea to practice speaking for 15 minutes and record your voice, okay. You have to record your voice, record your answers, and listen to your mistakes. When you're recording, then you are able to understand what are the mistakes that you are doing in your speaking. Okay, then try to practice speaking part one every day, because these are the informal questions. This will help you to be more in momentum. And then learn fillers naturally, like you can use well, actually, to be honest. I have also told these things several times in my videos. I'm telling it again, to use fillers and then think in English, okay. Stop translating from Urdu, because the alphabets of English are less as compared to the Urdu alphabet, so you can't translate each and every word. Okay, so I hope that you are going to understand this thing. And like, watch English interviews and then improve your pronunciation. You can also watch some videos, also some vlogs in English, travel vlogs, or you can just watch some like English podcast, okay. BBC English, I have told you that this is a very good channel. You can subscribe it, and then you can watch or listen some of the podcast, okay. And then you have to bring up one daily, okay, speaking topic that can help you to speak faster, or so your confidence will increase when you speak on daily basis, and when you practice, okay. Practice makes a man perfect. And then avoid one word answers in IELTS speaking, okay. You have to make your answers within two or three lines. Four lines are also enough, within 20 seconds. And then part three questions are within 30 seconds you have to answer. So I think this is a good tip, okay. Learn topic wise vocabulary instead of random words, okay. Make a list of vocabulary words on daily basis. For example, the like topics are hobbies, travel, technology, or education, health, sports. So you can make your vocabulary topic wise, okay. Don't make all of the vocabulary. And it doesn't matter that you're what we can say, grammar has to be perfect, okay, for band IELTS, like for band 7, okay. So you can use some of the connectors. You can expand your vocabulary, okay, because connectors are really helpful, like however, moreover, additionally, okay, consequently, in conclusion, or you can use these connectors, okay, in my opinion, okay. And now it's time for the writing tips, okay? Some of the quick writing tips I will give you in 60 seconds that will help you to get a higher band, okay? Now, first of all, you have to use a clear introduction, okay? And then, second thing is make two body paragraphs in the essay, especially. Make your introduction, then body paragraph, okay? And then you can make a conclusion, okay. Only four paragraphs are enough. That will help you to write a good essay. And don't use difficult words, okay. Use simple words, simple sentences, okay. And then do not overuse vocabulary, okay. Just try to write some simple vocabulary, and always answer the question fully, equally, like answer all the parts, okay. That will also help you. Like, for example, if the question is like, discuss both views and give your opinion, so first discuss both of the statements and then give your opinion, okay. And use linking words, however, moreover, in the writing as well. For example, in conclusion, and the magical formula is that you have to use idea plus explanation and plus example. Example is important. And most importantly is that you have to practice on daily basis, okay. And if you will practice, then obviously you will get the results. And for more tips, you have to subscribe our channel House of English. Don't forget to subscribe it and follow for more tips. Thank you.